Hey there, little artist! Ready to have some fun today? We're going to draw something super yummy, popcorn. Grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. First, let's draw the popcorn cup. Start by drawing a tall rectangle. This will be the cup holding all our tasty popcorn. Now, let's add some fun decorations. Draw a big circle right in the middle of the rectangle, and then draw some vertical lines on the rectangle to make it look extra special. Nice work! Now, let's draw the popcorn pieces on top of the cup. Just draw some fluffy, cloud-like shapes popping out from the top. Yummy! Wow! Let's give our popcorn cup some personality. Inside the circle on the cup, draw two cute eyes and a happy mouth. Now our popcorn cup looks super friendly and ready to be enjoyed. Wow, our popcorn is looking great! Let's make it stand out even more by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will really make your drawing pop. Wow, our popcorn is looking great! Now it's time to add some color to our delicious popcorn. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Yellow color. Red color. Cream color. Awesome! Cream color again. Brown color. Wow! Great job, everyone! Look at that! Your popcorn looks so tasty and colorful. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us again for more creative fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.